In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove tax from a product on Shopify. This is useful if you are selling tax-exempt products or need to adjust your product tax settings. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Products from the left-hand menu. Then, select the product you want to edit. On the product page, scroll down to the pricing section. Here you'll find an option labeled Charge tax on this product. Simply uncheck this box to remove tax from that product. This tells Shopify not to calculate sales tax for the item during checkout. Once you've made the change, click Save to apply the update. If you want to remove taxes from multiple products, you'll need to repeat these steps for each product or use Shopify's bulk editor to update several items at once. That's it, you've successfully removed tax from a product on Shopify. Thanks for watching.